Well, good morning. We've got a weather alert day set to run from mid to late morning through the afternoon and this evening. We're going to find some mix or snow initially, a wet snow transitioning to sleet and rain eventually as warmer air works into the region. Some of the impacts, though, I still think we're going to see some of the roadways impacted, especially to the north and west, so we have to watch for hazardous travel. Take a look at the central U.S. There's another part of the system that's coming together farther west. That's going to produce a winter storm back across Kansas, Missouri, Illinois, and Iowa. For our area, this part of the storm, we have warnings out from Kentucky across West Virginia, most of the Commonwealth up into Maryland and Delaware, southern parts of New Jersey as well. And there's going to be a heavier amount of snow in this area, maybe in excess of 5 or 6 inches in some spots off to the north. For Hampton Roads and most of southeast Virginia, it will be much lighter, the amounts. But you can see we do have a winter storm warning out for the northern part of the eastern shore. That's Accomack County. There's a winter weather advisory for Northampton County, so the southern part of the eastern shore. As you come across the bay, northern neck and areas up towards Tappahannock, out towards the Richmond metro area under winter storm warning, there are winter weather advisories for Matthews, for Gloucester, back across the peninsula, York. I think parts of the Newport News area, especially up towards, say, Williamsburg and James City County, as you get closer to that area, that's where you need to watch for the wintry conditions, and the winter weather advisory continues across Surrey, down through Sussex, Southampton, the Franklin areas, down through Roanoke Rapids. So we're watching for the wintry weather. Again, there will be that transition to rain, but the snowfall before the transition to rain, we could see a dusting up to maybe an inch for some of these areas in light blue. I think it'll be very light here along the southern edge. I don't expect much Southside Hampton Roads. Temperatures have just been too warm, and anything that falls should largely melt on contact, but elevated surfaces could see a little coating before the transition to rain, and that's going to wash away the snow. 1 to 2 inches potentially up around Williamsburg, and more than that, 2 to 4 or more potentially north and out to the west. So we're going to watch for that, but that transition to rain is expected. Now, the forecast today, again, a few sprinkles or showers with some snow around midday, and then that transition back to rain. Nailing down the exact amounts of precipitation we get, that's going to be a little tricky because we have to watch for the timing of the transition. So models largely agree that we'll see some snow or mix changing over to rain. That's fair, decent amount of confidence here, moderate to high. As far as the snow totals, it all comes down to the timing of the transition from rain to, from snow or mix to rain. That's going to occur from south to north as the day continues. And as far as the timing goes, everything pointing towards the snow arriving or the precip arriving mid-morning and then continuing, transitioning, and then the rain showers as we go into the evening hours. Let's take a look at where it is right now. You can see some of the showers off to the south, very light sprinkles, some of that not even making it down to the ground. But the snow is out to the west, and it is going to continue working to the east. So eventually, say by 9, 10 o'clock, we'll see this creeping into the picture, and then snow showers and flurries initially with some mixing. Look for the transition to rain. Low 40s around Virginia Beach and Elizabeth City, 40 in Norfolk. That's at 12:30. Upper 30s, Chesapeake to Franklin, and then mid 30s up around Richmond at West Point and Tappahannock. Where you have some heavier snow showers or snow bursts, you could see some more cold air getting pulled down, so there is the potential for some more snow up that way. Temperatures, again, low to mid 30s through the afternoon up there. Mid 30s around Newport News and Wakefield, but still some mixed precipitation potentially there, and then mainly rain as we go across the south side in North Carolina. Heading into the evening, temperatures a little chillier around Tappahannock, Richmond, and West Point. This is where we have to watch for slushy areas on the road and maybe a little bit of ice in some areas as well. It's going to be mainly rain across Hampton Roads. There could be a few colder pockets, so we'll just need to monitor all of this, and that's why it's so important you continue to check back with your team here at 13 News Now. Our entire weather team will be watching this. Evan will have you covered at midday. midday. Evan Stewart, and then Chief Meteorologist Tim Pandagis will take you through the late afternoon and evening hours. Tomorrow, when I'm back in on daybreak, we're going to see more showers across the area, but that's going to wind down. We'll catch a little break around midday, and then by tomorrow evening, another round of wet weather, and that's going to head into early Thursday. By late Thursday into Friday, we should be drying out and clearing out. Temperatures today, low 40s near the coast, upper 30s for inland spots. Again, sleet or snow initially changing over to rain later this afternoon. Now, places to the north like Sunnybank and Urbana, maybe more snow, even though temperatures are a little bit warmer. I think, above freezing, we'll still see some snow up that way, and that's going to cool some of the temperatures later this afternoon and evening. For Gloucester and Matthews, look for a mix to rain, some more snow, Melfa up to Chincoteague. Remember, winter storm warning for Accomack County, and then we've got that winter weather advisory for Northampton around Cape Charles. Hampton, Newport News, Williamsburg, upper 30s, but temps falling off late. As we go through the southern parts of our area, it's mainly going to be rain. There could be a few wet snowflakes for a while this morning, but look for more of the rain than anything else across North Carolina. Overnight tonight, lows near 36, occasional rain, and then tomorrow, showers in the morning, a break, occasional rain redeveloping by tomorrow evening. As for the rest of the 7-day forecast, it will be warmer on Thursday and then a cool down, but we're going to dry it out Thursday night into Friday. So Valentine's Day looking good, partly sunny as we get into Saturday and Sunday. Rain chances return, but warmer weather returns as well. 59 on Saturday, 68 on Sunday. Another cool down for Monday with more sunshine.